The pin cap is part of your grinder's spindle lock assembly. It is the button you push against when you want to lock the grinder's spindle. The plastic button can be damaged by dropping the grinder or if something hits it. Replacing the pin cap is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spindle housing from the grinder. Next, I can remove the pin. I'll use a punch to tap the pin away from the housing. And now I can replace the pin cap. To reassemble, I'll slide the pin back into the housing. I'll take a socket, place it on my workbench, and rest the pin on top of the socket. Now I'll place the compression spring over the pin and install the pin cap. And I'll use a rubber mallet to secure the pin cap. Now I can reinstall the spindle assembly. I'll place it onto the housing, aligning the gears, and press it into place. You may need to tap it into place with a rubber mallet. Once the housings are aligned, I'll secure them with the screws. And that's how you can install a new pin cap on your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.